Hey there everyone, what's up? And you're watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, I'm gonna give you tips and ideas on how to make a no sewing dress for dolls. And the materials that we needed are scissors, of course. And I'll be choosing a stretchy printed fabric right here. So I'm gonna start with the skirt. I'm gonna fold it in half. I'm gonna, oops, sorry, carefully fold this in half and repeat it on the other side. And we're going to trim the edges right here with the shape of the letter C, or we should say half circle. And after trimming it, we're going to cut a little piece of hole right here in the top. Make sure it's little, and done. Okay, so we already have a skirt, or if you wanted, you can just cut more because we're just going to wear it for the dolls. Okay, this is perfect. And for the top, I'm gonna cut right here. I'm gonna fold this in half. I'm gonna trim all the excess right here to the top. Carefully when you were using scissors. Hey. And I'm gonna cut here once again into the other half. Okay, and to the lower half, to the lower half. Okay, so I trimmed some excess right here with her shoulder to give her a better and vertical this or fashionable sense. And I fold the bottom of her top and attach it to the skirt, and I've used scissors earlier to attach it right to the top, and I secured her back with I've secured the back of her top by tying it the bottom and the top of her top. Okay guys, thank you for watching our video. Thank you for giving watch time. Of course, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye.